Hi, this is Pooja, and I have started this new channel with a specific purpose. So, here's the thing, I have recently joined Communication Masterclass. I will not take the exact name of this course. So, there is one interesting exercise they have provided. So, it sounds simple. You have to go through newspapers like Maharashtra Times, Economic Times, etc. And you have to select one paragraph out of it, write that in your own words, and present it in front of camera. This has to be done every single day for 90 days. So this is the journey basically. There will be a lot of improvement in terms of the way you communicate, the way you present, your grammar and everything. So this is my day one of recording myself with a paragraph I have selected. So the today's topic is current affairs, that is retake or re-examination of NEET UG. In the last few days, you might have observed that Telegram is not working. Whenever you are trying to open it, search something, it's always giving this connecting signal. It's not any technical glitch. So, on the ground of this NEET UG exam retake, they have banned Telegram till exam completes. So, the exam will be conducted on 21st of June, and there are lot of security measures they have implied. From biometric checks, AI monitoring, GPS tracking, they have included central forces as well. So approximately 22.7 lakhs students will be appearing for this exam. There will be 5,000 plus exam centers spread across 500 plus cities and 14 locations abroad. So let's talk about security measures. So this goes beyond usual identity checks. For question setting process, they have created insulated room where there will be no access to phone or internet. Rough papers will be destroyed. The work will be under continuous monitoring of CCTV cameras. Question papers options are shuffled, as you all are aware that this is MCQ based examination. Then comes to monitor printing and traceable papers. Printing will be done under supervision. There will be CCTV cameras, and a specific mark is allocated to a paper so that it can be easily identified. Transport. Here comes the interesting part. Indian Air Force is involved. They will be airlifting those consignments across cities. CRPF and CISF forces are involved into this. All the consignments are GPS tracked. Question paper will be opened in designated room in front of police. Then biometric and facial recognition. To avoid impersonation and proxy, there will be Aadhaar plus biometric checks. When you enter the classroom, you are not allowed to carry smartphones, calculator, smartwatches, etc. There will be metal detectors. Of course, the session duration is increased. The session will be longer. It will be 195 minutes to accommodate all those security checks, and no one is allowed to leave early. Now, talking about legal deterrence, leaking or possession of the paper is non-bailable offense, generally 3 to 5 years of prison. If it is done in an organized way, then it can attract 5 to 10 years of imprisonment with monetary fine in both the cases. So what do you think? All these measures are sufficient? Let me know your views in the comment.